Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. You saw the title. It's something to do with canned biscuits, and y'all, it's gonna be one of my favorites, a sweet treat. We are going to put these and blueberries to use. We are going to be making a blueberry bake. Are y'all ready? Let's get started. Welcome to our channel. We're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Come on in and grab a chair and sit a spell with us. If you like readable versions of all of our content, be sure to check out both of our blogs. The links to our blogs will always be in the description box below our videos. Okay, the first thing you're going to do with this blueberry bake, you're going to open up your biscuits and you are going to chunk them up just like this. You can either do it with a knife or you can just pinch them off. Just do it like into chunks, okay? And then you are going to cream together a block of cream cheese, a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and I'll keep working with it and keep adding until I get the consistency that I want. A little bit of sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice, splash of vanilla, and some lemon juice. Y'all, blueberries and lemon juice, just trust me, it goes great together. You are going to cream this up. You can do this with a hand mixer. You can do this with a food processor. Any way that you want to do this, I'm just going to cream this up until I get the consistency that I want. And I can see right now that I'm already going to have to add some more cream. Now, you want to grease, for you and your family, you want to grease a 9x13 or an 8x11 baking dish. They don't have one here in this cottage, so I'm having to improvise, but it's okay because I'm actually going to be dividing this a little bit, and I'm actually going to be making the lady next door to us. We've become pretty good friends. I'm going to split this and I'm going to make her one. So my silicone molds that I travel with is going to be perfect, okay? And I trust her. She'll bring this back to me when she's done, okay? So I'm going to divide this between us, and I'm going to bake these in, I'm going to bake mine in these. But y'all grease you an 8x11 or a 9x13 casserole dish. So I'm going to have to add some more cream, and I'm going to get this the consistency that I want to, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next, okay? Alright y'all, I got it creamed together and I've got it the consistency that I want, because this kind of needs to saturate through the biscuits as it cooks. Now, if y'all want y'all's a little bit more creamier than this and you don't want the lumps in it, that's fine. I'm just improvising. I'm just trying to do what I can with this fork, okay? Now you are going to put your biscuits over in this mixture. They've done got to room temperature now. You're just going to toss and coat the biscuit pieces in this mixture. Make sure all of them get saturated. Try not to let your biscuits get to room temperature, because now they're wanting to clump up, okay? So I'm going to coat these biscuits, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to divide them between these two baking silicone liners, and then we will work with the blueberries. So let me get these mixed up and divided into these two liners. Okay, I've got them divided. Y'all, this is the easiest thing to put together. Be preheating your oven to 375 too, okay? You are just going to casually put your blueberries in there. Now, as this bakes, these biscuits are going to puff up, take on and soak up the cream cheese. Y'all load them up. Now, another thing that you need to know about this bake is use raw, fresh fruit. Do not use frozen fruit or wet fruit like peaches and things like that that comes in the can. You don't want this soggy with extra juices. You can use chunks of apples, apple slices, blueberries, strawberries, things that are dry and fresh and raw, okay? No wet peaches or anything like that. All right, so we're gonna load everybody up. You are going to put this in the oven on 375, or you can do 350, whichever one you want to do. You can follow the degrees instructions on the back of the can. And we are going to let this bake up until it gets good and bubbly and the biscuits are done, okay? So we're fixing to put these in the oven. I'll let you know what they look like when they come out. I'm just gonna open this up and let y'all peek and see what this is looking like. Just keep letting it get bubbly, y'all, and then when the biscuits get done, it'll be time to take it out. Oh, y'all, it's smelling so lemony and blueberry. And here's that blueberry bake, fresh out of the oven. Look at that. Golden, crunchy blueberry. Y'all, them blueberries popped open. I'm fixing to cover, I'm going to let this cool just a little bit. I'm going to cover my little neighbors over here up. And then I'm going to bowl this up. Y'all, this would be perfect with some ice cream or some yogurt. But let's bowl some of this up and do a taste test. All right, y'all, let's do this taste test. This is warm, y'all. You see that? Look how that turned out. Look at the purple, y'all. Oh, let's taste test this. Y'all, it's pouring down rain again. Second night in a row. We're still under a tornado watch in the bay. Y'all hear that rain? I was gonna go sit on the porch. Not now. I had to bring my herbs in. And my candle. I gotta go get my candle in too. I'm gonna go shove this in my face now. That is blueberry bake using canned biscuits. Did y'all see how easy that was though? You just chunked up biscuits, mixed some ingredients, married them, threw them in the oven, let it bake, and out came a blueberry bake with canned biscuits. I'll see y'all in the next one.